You cut me open and I, birds of a feather, we should stick together.